morning. My name is Miguel Gonzalez, and I'm a certified retirement counselor with over 20 years of experience helping clients in retirement income planning, overseeing investment of funds, and designing retirement plans. Let's talk about everything you need to be ready for tax season this year. Regardless of whether you prepare your taxes yourself or use a professional services, it's a good idea to gather the information and documentation you need well in advance of your actual tax filing date. Below, I've listed some key information you need when preparing this year's taxes. Number one, your personal information. Your personal information you may need to file taxes may contain information from your prior year's tax return, including your Social Security number, along with Social Security numbers for your spouse if applicable and any dependents. Last year's adjusted gross income, your AGI, if you're e-filing your taxes and need to confirm your identity, and any tax filing PIN you may have. Number two, your income information. Your tax return typically requires documentation for all taxable income you received the previous years. W-2 forms, 1099 forms, 1099 miscellaneous for contract employees, 1099K for those who receive payment through a third party like Venmo or PayPal, 1099 div for investment dividends, 1099 INT for investment interest, and 1099B for transactions handled by brokers. You also need receipts, pay stubs, and other documentation on income that isn't otherwise reflected. Number three, your deduction information. Gather your information on deductions that help reduce your overall tax burden. These include, but not necessarily limited to, IRA and other retirement contributions, medical bills, property taxes, mortgage interest, educational expenses like college tuition or student loan payments, state and local income taxes and sales taxes, charitable deductions and donations, dependent care expenses, classroom expenses if you're a teacher. There are other state-specific deductions that may apply to your situation. Number four, your tax credit information. Credits may further decrease your tax burden. Unlike deductions which may lower your taxable income, tax credits simply credit you a portion of what you otherwise owe. Some available tax credits may include earned income tax credit, child tax credits, dependent care, American Opportunity and Lifetime Learning credits, the Savers credit. Often the information needed to receive these tax credits may be duplicate of other tax information. For example, having your retirement contribution records handy may support both an IRA deduction and a Savers credit if you qualify. Having your child's Social Security number may allow you to fill out your child tax credit section and the dependent care deduction. The more income and deduction related information you have in one spot, the more streamlined your tax prep process should be. Number five is your tax payment information. Finally, gather and provide information on how much you've already paid in taxes, whether through estimated tax payments, income withholdings, or both. This helps you quickly calculate your total amount due once you've entered your income, your deductions, your credits, and your withholding information. Once again, this is Miguel Gonzalez with Cortburg Retirement Advisors. Please take a moment to click the like icon and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive our weekly video podcast every Monday morning. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next week.